Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. Heavy snowstorm blankets Elon University campus. Winter weather advisory for multiple counties in North Carolina. Governor declares state of emergency. Hazardous road cause numerous accidents. Murray County schools switch to remote learning. Elon University's campus is covered in a thick blanket of snow as the winter storm moves through the North Carolina. The storm reached the area on Wednesday afternoon, February 19th, and the snowflakes started falling around the noon and have continued throughout the day. According to the AccuWeather, Elon University is expected to receive additional about 1 to 3 inches of the snow. Alamance County, along with the several other counties, are under the winter weather advisory and the storm is predicted to hit central North Carolina hardest, with the areas in the region expecting 3 to 4 inches of the snow. North Carolina governor declared a state of emergency during the emergency briefing on Tuesday in preparation for the storm. The winter weather has also brought colder temperatures and strong winds, which will continue in the coming days. And in response to the storm, the Alamance Birmingham school system closed all the schools and facilities for Wednesday. Elon University cancelled classes past noon and closed many university offices as well. As the snow and the ice began to accumulate, roads became hazardous, especially on the back roads in the Murray County, and the icy conditions caused numerous accidents across the county. While no serious injuries were reported, many cars slid off the roads, and some accidents were more serious, requiring emergency crews to rescue drivers trapped in their vehicles and clear the roads that were blocked. Murray County's first responders were kept busy throughout the day as the volume of crashes increased. The North Carolina Department of Transportation has been out clearing the main roads, including US Highway 1, where snow and slush have been scraped off to keep the travel lanes clear. The effects of the storm continue to be felt across the areas, and the residents are urged to stay cautious as the weather worsens. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.